What's up YouTube? Welcome to another video of lifestyle and sneakers. If you haven't met, my name is Manuel and I'll be showing you the rest of the sneaker releases for February 2019. Let's go! Before we proceed with the video, I just want to remind everyone that we do have an ongoing giveaway for the Air Jordan 33 Utility Blackout. If you haven't watched the video, we will be posting the link on the description box below. We will be announcing the name of the lucky subscriber during our very special video on March 1. So, I hope you could participate. Thank you! Most of the sneakers that I'll be showing you have already been released last week or will be released this week. So let's start with the first shoe. The first one will be from Under Armour. It's called the UA Anatomics Spawn Low. Joel Embiid of the 76ers wore these sneakers during the NBA All-Star 2019. Now we move on to Nike. We will start with the Kyrie 5s. First up, we have the Cookies and Cream version of the Kyrie 5s. Then we have the Kyrie 5 collaboration with the Rocket, which Kyrie wore during the All-Star weekend. Next up, we have the LeBron 16 King's Throne. Then we followed it by the Air Max 720. Actually, this 720, they have a lot of colorways releasing this month, but these are the samples of the two latest ones that they just released. Then after that, we have the Nike Adapt BB. Now, this is one of the most highly anticipated basketball shoe for 2019, as it will definitely revolutionize the basketball sneakers. Up next, we have the Air Zoom Rookie in Galaxy colorway. Now this one, if it was 7 years ago, I would probably cop it, but now, I mean, it's way past its time. Moving on next, we have the Nike React WRISPA. ISPA means improvise, scavenge, protect, and adapt. Now, I'm not really sure why Nike named it like that. However, from what I know, it was designed for the modern-day commuter that navigates the urban jungle. Now, they have three colorways. First up, we have the Black Metallic Silver Gunsmoke. Then we have the Summit White, Deep Royal Blue, and Khaki Black. And lastly, we have the Velvet Brown, Terra Orange, Dark Stucco. Up next, we have the Nike collaboration with Jun Takahashi of Undercover Gyakuso. Gyakuso means reverse running. And for this collection, they have three designs. Two from the Pegasus Turbo and one from the Vaporfly 4%. Next, we have the return of one of the most iconic Doernbecher design. They are releasing again the foam-posted one Doernbecher. This was originally released in 2013 and it was designed by Elijah Tiggins. Moving on to Jordan Brand, they're also releasing another iconic design from Doernbecher, which is the Jordan 6 Doernbecher. It was originally released in 2011 and it was designed by Jordan Dark. For those of you who didn't know, the Doernbecher design started in 2004. Nike and Doernbecher Foundation of the Doernbecher Children's Hospital collaborated by letting cancer patients design their own sneakers. Of course, these sneakers were auctioned and the proceeds all went to the foundation. Now, fortunately, because of the help of the foundation, both Elijah and Jordan, the designers of both the shoes I just showed, are all cancer-free now. Moving on to the rest of the releases of the Jordan Brand this February, we have the Russell Westbrook All-Star sneaker, which is the Y Knots 2.0. Next, we have the iconic Jordan 6 Infrared Retro. And lastly, we have the Air Jordan 1 Defiant or Couture. I tried to get these sneakers, however, it was not released here in Malaysia. Now let's go on to the Adidas releases for February 2019. First up, we have the Adidas Next Level. We have it in Shock Red and Core Black. Up next, we have the Ultra Boost 19. We have two colorways. One is the Core White, Core Black, and the other one is Clear Brown. Next, we have the Adidas ZX 10000C in Supplier colorway. Now, this shoe is the most anticipated Yeezy release for this month, and it's the Yeezy Boost 700 Salt. I wanted to get this pair, and I even tried to get it. Unfortunately, I wasn't lucky enough to cop one because it was a limited release. Up next, we have the Adidas Night Joggers. They have two colorways. One is the Cloud White Crystal White, and the next one is the Core Black Carbon. Lastly, we have the Adidas D-Rops S in black and white colorway. So that's it for the sneaker releases for the rest of February 2019. We will be doing this monthly, so I hope you could see the next releases for the next few months. If you're still here, thank you so much for your support. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button down below. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so because we're currently running a giveaway for a Jordan 33 Utility Black. We will be announcing the lucky subscriber on March 1, so watch out for it. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.